In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain name with Hostinger. Now you can buy a domain name with Hostinger and use it to create a website with their built-in website builder, or you can create a WordPress website with this domain. And I'm going to show you how you can buy the domain right now. So as of right now, I'm on hostinger.co.uk/domains. But what you want to do is click on the link in the description and it will take you to hostinger.co.uk. Once you're here, you can go to domains in the top right hand corner. And if you just want to buy a domain, then here is the place to do it. Here you can find a new domain and type one in here, or you can get AI to generate one. For this video though, we're just going to register a domain that we have in mind. So I'm going to register this domain here, learningforaliving.com, and we're going to see if that's available. Now the chances are you have a domain name in your head, and you're going to have to see if it's available or not. So I would type it in and then click search, and you can see if it is available. For me, I can see that the exact match is available, and it's available for £4.99 per year, and we can go ahead and make it yours, aka make it mine, right? Now if your domain wasn't available, you've got two options. You can use a different extension, like if I was to scroll down, we could get .co.uk, we could get .online, but to be honest, I would favor the .com domain because that's just what Google favors. So maybe you can rethink your domain and rethink your brand and try and find something which has the .co or the .com available. If you're trading in the UK only, then a .co.uk will be fine. But I wouldn't go registering things like a .live, a .online, .shop. Google doesn't love these. I'd stick with .com, .net and .co.uk. Because mine's available though, I'm going to click on make it yours. So I'm going to register this for a year and then I'll turn on auto renew. So every year it will auto renew if I still want it. That's going to cost me a little bit more upfront, but it just means I don't have to pay for the extra years. So I'm paying now £9 per year, and that includes free domain privacy, which you really do need, because if you don't have this, people will be able to look up your domain and they'll be able to see where it's registered and things like that. So go ahead and select what period you want to register, then click continue. It's going to ask you then if you own a Hostinger account. You can then either create one or just sign in. Because I already have an account, I've just signed in. Now I just need to add in some billing info and then we can continue to the payment section. Okay, so now we've filled out those details. We'll now be taken to the payment section where we can either pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Play, or CoinGate, which is crypto. I'm going to pay though with credit card. Okay, so now my payment's gone through with my credit card. You can see great news, your domain learningforaliving.com is being secured. Get ready to go online. We can then click continue. Now we own that domain. Now what we could do is we could add this to our web hosting within Hostinger, or we can just manage this domain inside of Hostinger. So if we go back to the Hostinger panel, the H panel, here if you go to domains and domain portfolio, here is our domain, learningforaliving.com, this one here. And obviously we can create a website with this using Hostinger. If you want to learn how to do that, I'll create a video and it will be linked on screen right now. Don't forget, if you want to buy a domain using my link, it will be in the description below.